Alright, this video for problem 31 through 40 for Math 1 final review. So problem 31, find the slope-intercept form of the equation with the slope is 2 over 3 and y-intercept at the origins. Okay, so we know m is 2 over 3. The origin means that b equal to 0. So y equal to mx plus b will turn into y equal to 2 over 3x plus 0, or y equal to 2 over 3x. Okay, that's it for number 31. Number 32, find the equation of the graph. So first we need to know the starting point is 1, 2, 3, 4. So your b equal to 4, or it can be a 0, 4. b equal to 4. And your slope, so we're going to see how many rise and run. This point we go down 1, 2 and run 1. So slope going to be 2 over 1. Since you run down, so you go down, it's going to be negative 2 over 1, or just negative 2. So the equation y equal to mx plus b, where is m is negative 2 and b is 4. b is 4. That will be negative 2x plus 4. y equal to negative 2x plus 4. Alright, number 33. Find the equation of the line that passing through 3, 4 and 2, 6. To write an equation, you need slope. Okay, you need a slope. So from 2 points, we can find slope by using slope formula. M equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. We're going to plug in y2 is 6 minus 4 over 2 minus 3. 6 minus 4 going to be 2, and 2 minus 3 going to be negative 1. So slope is negative 2. M is negative 2. Alright, to write an equation beside M, you also need to know B. So we're going to find B. Find B. So I know you like the equation y equal to mx plus b. We're going to use this to solve for b. Okay, x and y, I can use x1 and y1. So your y going to be 4 and your x going to be 3. Slope, which we just saw for earlier, right here, is going to be negative 2 plus b. Now we're going to solve for b. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Bring down 4 and b. To get b by itself, you're going to do is add 6 on both sides. 10 equal to b. Alright, so now we're going to write an equation y equal to mx plus b. Y equal to negative 2x plus 10 as my final answer. Problem 34. Find the point slope form of the equation with the line have slope is negative 5 that passing through the point 1 and 3. Find the point slope form. Point slope form. So don't forget, we have this formula. It's not your favorite one, but they will ask you on the test. Y, it will be y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So we have m is negative 5 and x1, y1 is 1, 3. So that will give us y minus y1 is 3 equals to m is negative 5. X minus x1 is 1. Okay, our next step we're going to do is distribute -5 into parentheses. Y minus 3 equal to -5x. -5 times -1 is +5. To get, I'm gonna say to get y by itself because my habit to solve for y, but actually the equation is done right at this step. This is point slope form. Point slope form. Okay, since I'm almost done, I'm gonna do is add 3 on both sides. You will have y equal to -5x plus 8. This is a little bit further. It's called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. Okay, since they ask you for point slope form, you can stop right here. You don't need to go further. Okay, problem 35. What is the equation of the line through -1 and -7 with an undefined slope? Alright, as we know that if y equal to a number, let's say I make up number 2, y is 2, so you will see this is 2 on the y-axis. Y equal to 1, 2, going to be this point, so it's going to be a horizontal line where they cross the y-axis as point 2. And let's say horizontal line, so the slope of a horizontal line is a flat line. It's going to be 0 because there's no slope there. Slope is 0. And if we look at x equal to 2, for example, then you will have on the x-axis, when x is 2, going to be right here. That's going to be a vertical line go up and down. So, and we talk about this, vertical line is a wall. We cannot walk on the wall. Going to be undefined slope. So that's what they're looking for, the x value of a point. So this point -1, 7 with the x value is -1. That will be the equation of the undefined slope. X equal to -1. Okay, if they ask for 0 slope, then gonna be y equal to -7. Problem 36. Find the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that passes through point 1, 3 and is parallel to 4x plus 2y equal to 8. So the note I leave for you here is parallel lines will have the same slope. So what does it mean? When you write an equation, you need slope and a point. So based on this equation, you can find out the slope. Based on this equation, you can find out the slope. So 4x plus 2y equals to 8 minus 4x on both sides. 2y equal to -4x plus 8. Then we divide both sides by 2. Y equal to -4 divided by 2 is -2x plus 4. Based on this equation, you can pull out slope is -2. Okay, since they parallel, the slope will be the slope of the line that passing through point 1, 3. So from a slope is -2 and the point 1, 3, we can write an equation. Y equal to mx plus b, where m is -2, x is 1 and y is 3. We're gonna plug it in. So 3 equal to -2 times 1 plus b. We will solve for b. -2 times 1 is -2 equal to 3 plus b on this side. To get b by itself, we're going to do it add 2 on both sides. 5 equals to b, or b equals to 5. So y equals to mx plus b, y equal to negative 2x plus 5 as the final answer. Number 37. If the line Q has the slope is negative 3, if line Q has slope is negative 3, what is the slope of any line perpendicular to P? To Q. So I leave you the note for this. Perpendicular lines will have the opposite sign and reciprocal slope. What do I mean from that? So the slope of point of the line Q is negative 3. All we need to do is flip this one and change the sign. M of the perpendicular will be, we're going to put 3 over 1. We're going to flip this. That will be 1 over 3. And we change the sign from negative to positive. If it was positive, then you will change it to negative. And that's it. So the slope is positive 1/3 as the final answer. Find the inequality of the graph. So first of all, like the regular equation, y equals to mx plus b, your b is negative 1. Your slope, we go up 1, 2 over 1. So m, you go up 2 and to the left 1, so it's going to be negative. So your slope will be negative 2. Okay, for some reason we have a lot of negative 2 as a slope. Okay, so the equation will turn into y equal to negative 2x minus 1. Okay, then we're gonna need to figure it out, is this one gonna be less than or greater than? So let's say if I choose it, I choose a random either less than or greater than. Let's say if I say it's less than, equal to negative 2x minus 1. Then I pick any point on my shaded area or unshaded area. I will pick one. Let's say if I choose 0, 0. Let's say I choose 0, 0. So it's not a shaded area. If this equation is correctly, when I plug in 0, 0, it's not in the shaded area. It should give you a false statement. Okay, so we're going to use test point 0, 0. So when you plug it in, 0 for y, less than equal to negative 2 times 0 minus 1. 0 less than equal to negative 1. So is that true or false? 0 less than negative 1 is a false statement. So it is right because 0, 0 is stay in the unshaded area is expected to be the false statement. So our equation was right. Y less than equal to negative 2x minus 1. If this test point gives you a true statement, so we have to flip the inequality sign to the opposite direction. Okay. Number 39. Okay. Alicia has at most $150 to buy a new baseball glove and a new baseball bat. Which inequality represent the situation. So let's say X is the amount represent the cost of baseball glove, and Y is the amount or the cost of baseball bat. So X plus Y, she has at most means that the maximum number, or she has $150. It cannot be more than. So at most is the max. So the cost of two of them should be less than equal to $150. Okay, so that's it. They just ask you to set up the equation. So we set it up. You don't have to solve for it. Number 40. You know what? Before we move on to number 40, if we have 39 at most is less than equal to at least will be greater than equal to. If they say more than will be greater than, and less than will be less than. Alright, number 40. Which order pair is part of the solution set? They give you 2 minus y less than equal to negative 4x. So all we need to do is check each point. We're gonna plug it in. 2 minus y less than equal to negative 4x. Point A, this is x, this is y. We're gonna plug it in. 2 minus y is 1 less than equal to negative 4 times 1. That will be 2 minus 1 is 1 less than equal to negative 4. This is false statement because 1 not less than 4. So A is not the answer. Then we're going to plug into the second point. 2 minus y less than equal to negative 4x. This time x is 2 and y is negative 1. So 2 minus minus 1 less than equal to negative 4 times 2. Minus minus turn into a plus. So 2 plus 1 will give me 3 less than equal to negative 8. 3 less than negative 8 is a false statement. So this is not true either. Next one, 2 minus y less than equal to negative 4x. X is negative 1 and y is 2. So 2 minus 2 less than equal to negative 4 times negative 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 less than equal to 4. 0 less than 4, this is a true statement. So our answer is going to be C. Okay. And last is multiple choice. If C is the answer, D is going to be wrong. But let's say if we don't know that, we're going to go forward and try part D. So x is 3, y is negative 5. That would be 2 minus minus 5. Less than equal to negative 4 times 3. That will give me 2 negative turn into a positive. 2 plus 5 is 7, less than equal to negative 12. 7 less than 12 is a false statement. So this is not the answer. Alright, 41. 41 is our last problem. We're going to solve this. So basically you're going to graph two lines. I'm going to start with my first line on this side. 2x minus 2y equal to negative 4. We need to know our y-intercept and the slope. So you need to get y by itself. What we're going to do is, first of all, the negative sign belongs to 2y. 2x itself is positive. So you're going to do is minus 2x on both sides. Bring down negative 2y equal to negative 4 cannot take away negative 2x because 4 doesn't have an x. You just write them side by side. Negative 2x minus 4. Then we divide both sides by negative 2 to get y by itself. Y equal to negative 2 divided by negative 2, cancel each other out. Negative 2 over negative 2, cancel each other out, leave you y. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2, because negative over negative is positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Alright, so we need to know slope. Slope is the number in front of x, which is 1. So m is 1 over 1. B is 2. So you start at 2. Positive 1 over 1, you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and we draw the line, go through that. Alright, the second part, y equals to x plus 2. X plus 2. So same thing, the number in front of x is 1, slope is 1 over 1, b is 2. So we start at 2. Go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then we draw the line. So two lines are on top of each other, so they intersect at every single point on the line. So that will be infinitely many solutions. Alright, that's it for the final. If you have any question, you can ask me in class before the test.